I accidentally recorded all three of my birds talking. I was trying to record Margaret, who was saying good boy, and I actually caught her saying what and boy. And whilst I was giving her attention, Kevin joined in and started talking. And then when I gave my attention to Kevin, little Joe, my conure, who is, there he is, he started joining in and saying some stuff too. So it was a really lovely video, and I thought I would share it with you guys.
What? What? Are you talking? Good boy, Kevin. What? What? Are you talking to me? Good boy. Well, that was a big birdie that flew over, wasn't it? Yeah, it was a big birdie. What? Oh, beautiful. Do you love me? What, Kevin?